Versoflor flooring tiles can be cut to the required size with a number of tools, but we recommend using a jigsaw with a wood cutting blade. Other tools can be used such as a panel, circular or table saw. It is important to leave a 5mm gap between the floor tiles and the edge of your garage floor space. This allows for expansion in hot environments and warmer periods of the year. Carefully prepare each tile for cutting, marking the required cut points before you start your cut. Make sure to measure both ends of the tile to correctly leave a consistent 5mm gap. Connect your cut tiles around your full tiles, working from the left corner of your flooring to complete your flooring tile installation. Once all flooring tiles are connected with the required 5mm expansion gap, you can now finish off your installation with any flooring edges that may require cutting. For cutting Versoflor flooring edges, we recommend using a hacksaw, following the same guidance as recommended for Versoflor flooring tiles. To connect the cut edges on the floor tile sides without fitted connectors, use Versoflor connectors to attach your cut tile to the full tiles. These are sold separately. Make sure to check our other instructional videos for guidance on connecting Versoflor LED lighting strips.